Optimizing your Facebook ad for conversions involves a strategic approach to encourage users to take a specific action that aligns with your business goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you optimize your Facebook ad for conversions. 1. Set clear conversion goals. Clearly define the specific action you want users to take, such as making a purchase, signing up, or filling out a form. Your conversion goal should align with your overall business objectives. 2. Install the Facebook Pixel. Install the Facebook Pixel on your website. The Pixel allows you to track user interactions and gather valuable data on website activity. It is essential for measuring and optimizing for conversions. 3. Choose the right campaign objective. When creating your Facebook ad campaign, select the conversions objective. This signals Facebook to optimize your ad delivery for the specific conversion event you've defined. 4. Define conversion events. Specify the conversion event you want to track and optimize for, such as purchases, leads, or other actions. This is done at the ad set level when setting up your campaign. 5. Utilize custom conversions. Create custom conversions based on specific URLs or events on your website. Custom conversions provide more flexibility in tracking and optimizing for specific actions. 6. Target the right audience. Refine your audience targeting to reach people who are more likely to convert. Use demographic, interest, and behavior targeting options to narrow down your audience. 7. Optimize ad delivery. Choose the Optimize for Conversions option in the ad set settings. This allows Facebook to deliver your ads to users within your target audience who are more likely to complete the desired conversion. 8. Set a realistic budget. Allocate a budget that aligns with your campaign objectives. Consider the expected cost per conversion and set a budget that allows for sufficient data collection and optimization. 9. Create compelling ad creative. Design visually appealing and engaging ad creative. Use high-quality images or videos, write compelling ad copy, and include a clear call to action, CTA, that prompts users to take the desired action. 10. Utilize carousel or collection ads. Consider using carousel or collection ads to showcase multiple products or features within a single ad. This can increase engagement and drive conversions by providing users with a variety of options. 11. Implement A/B testing. Test different ad creatives, headlines, and CTA buttons to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 12. Optimize landing pages. Ensure that your landing pages are optimized for conversions. The message and offer on your ad should align seamlessly with the content on the landing page, creating a cohesive user experience. 13. Enable ad scheduling. Experiment with ad scheduling to deliver your ads at times when your audience is most active and likely to convert. Ad scheduling allows you to choose specific days and hours for ad delivery. 14. Regularly analyze and adjust. Monitor the performance of your ad campaign regularly in Facebook Ads Manager. Use the data to identify what is working well and make adjustments to elements that may need improvement. 15. Optimize for mobile. Ensure that your ad creative and landing pages are mobile-friendly. Many users browse Facebook on mobile devices, so a seamless mobile experience is crucial for conversions. 16. Test different audience segments. Create separate ad sets targeting different audience segments. This allows you to tailor your messaging and bidding strategies for each segment based on their likelihood to convert. 17. Use dynamic ads for conversions. If you have a product catalog, consider using dynamic ads to automatically show relevant products to users who have expressed interest on your website. By following these steps and continuously optimizing your Facebook ad campaign based on performance data, you can enhance the chances of driving conversions and achieving your business objectives. Remember that optimization is an ongoing process, and staying informed about changes in the Facebook advertising platform is crucial for success. So that's it. See you in the next videos.